Like I said, I built this back a couple months ago. It's just pieces and parts from mufflers, but I just basically cut them at an angle type of deal. Hopefully you guys can see that. And like I said, it's a tester. I got a hot spot here, which might help, might not for back pressure, but testing it out, it is obnoxious. That's what it is basically. Told you, obnoxious. All right, let's check out the cherry. Might be able to put the four-way back on. There she goes. 7/8 trailer, receiver deal, whatever the heck you want to call it. I've only got a 2-inch ball, but it's identifying as one today, so I just shaved it down a little bit. All right, so I guess what happens, the Bluetooth and the Ranger ended up picking up the phone, cut the recording short. I did it in one try. That's all you guys need to know. No. Got the splitter in here, brought a little tarp. Gonna leave it back here in the woods. For not being a production machine, like I said, that thing is 1960s, late 60s, early 70s, whatever it was. It was my great-great-grandfather's. Great-great-grand. Yeah. No, I don't remember. Either way, it's been passed down, passed down, passed down. It's the 4th engine we have put on it. Nice bundle style stuff. That's what I'm doing, guys. Primarily, I am doing firewood too, but probably 70% of what I'm going to be focusing on is bundle material. This stuff here, I don't know what I'm going to do with yet. I know elm is great for fires, firewood, that type of deal, but this stuff, it has a punk. This is a perfect piece here. You know, it's nothing but string, right? Nothing but fiber, and then the outside, which I can understand it being just a little piece, but I found worms and like hornet looking things in them, in the pieces. I wish I had the camera on, but like this is feather light already, and it has a punkish look to it, right? I don't know. So this is kind of a wait and see. Gonna get it stacked, and I want to thank you guys so much for the comments on the stacking and what you guys would do. And I'm gonna try a couple different things. Excuse me, got the hiccups. So I'm gonna try a couple different things between laying down pecker poles and stacking on top of it and whatnot. White birch is still here. That's what we got, basically what we got split up yesterday. Got more white birch back here. Thinking probably 70% of it's gone to punk. And then, like I said, we torched this place. We cut down probably 80% of the popples, just because they're garbage. So yeah, it's starting to take shape around here. I've got a couple white birches in here that are going to be nice and dry. Hopefully they've been off the ground long enough to keep the punk out of them. And then this guy here we're going to be dropping. It's hollow, and yeah, really all you need to know, but it's still green, so should be good firewood. It's probably, I don't know how I can really, yeah, phone really doesn't do well on mass, but it's probably a better part of 22 inches. But this is what we got. Like I said, unfortunately the firewood market around here is trash. There are so many processors, and like I was just talking to one of my cousins, and he said that he buys his firewood at $60, $55 to $60 a face cord. So I mean, there's not much meat on the bone for me not having a production machine, and then doing the splitting by hand, you know. So if it was a hobby and not another part of the business, I'd continue doing it the way I'm doing it. But I'm trying to reach a different market with the bundles, fire starter and smoking wood. So, but definitely going to be chasing cherry, and I don't think we have much on the property. So it's going to be a fun ride. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I want to thank everybody. The past 2-3 days we've went up, I think 20 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys can fill me in on what you guys are about, what you guys are doing. Bring ideas to the table. You know, it's just fun. If you got a passion in it, you seem to collect like-minded folks. So thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all, and we'll see you next time.